Assalamu alaikum dear student, how are you all? I hope you are all well by the grace of Almighty Allah. Welcome to NIEVS Home School. I am Nasima Akhtar, Assistant Teacher of Science, National Ideal English Version School, Morning Shift. Today I am going to take an elementary science class for class 4 student. Dear student, our today's topic is healthy lifestyle. We will discuss about short question and broad question based on this chapter. So let's start today's class. Our first short question is, disease can be spread through air, water, etc. What is called waterborne diseases? Answer will be, waterborne diseases are the diseases caused by taking water contaminated with germs such as bacteria. Short question number 2 is, oral saline is available in markets. How can we prepare oral saline at home? Answer will be, oral saline can be prepared at home by using a pinch of salt and a handful of molasses or sugar with half liter safe water. Next short question is short question 3 number. Waterborne diseases are disease caused by taking water contaminated with germs. What are the symptoms of waterborne diseases? Answer will be, the symptoms of most waterborne diseases are loose motion, vomiting, fever and stomach cramps. Now we will start our broad question. Broad question number 1 is, contaminated water can cause many types of diseases. How can we prevent waterborne diseases? Answer will be, the best way to prevent waterborne disease is to stop the transmission of germs. Some measures to prevent waterborne diseases are given below. 1 number point is use of safe water. We have to use clean and safe water for drinking, preparing foods and bathing. Next point is washing hands. We should wash our hands with soap and safe water before eating, preparing food and after using toilets or playing. Third number point is keeping toilets clean. We have to use hygienic toilet and to keep toilet clean after using it in order to prevent waterborne diseases. Student, our next broad question is broad question 2. It is very important for us to have a healthy lifestyle. What are the good habits to keep our body healthy? Answer will be, the best way to stay healthy is to follow the rules of good health and live a regular lifestyle. The following are good habits to keep our body healthy. 1 number point is eating balanced diet. We must have to eat balanced diet to maintain good health. We should eat a balanced diet along with enough safe water to maintain good health. Number 2 point is regular exercises. Regular exercise and playing sports strengthens our heart, muscles and bones. Number 3 point, adequate sleep. We need adequate sleep to give our body time to recover and grow. Number 4 point is time to relax. We need our time to relax to get away from the stresses of everyday life. Student, Now we will do matching. Here is the matching. Let's do it. Number 1 matching. First point is oral saline. It will be matched with here 2 number. Oral saline relieving diarrhea. So we will write here A plus 2. Then we will write the words here oral saline and then here relieving diarrhea. Okay, then the next is B number, keeping toilet clean. It will be matched with 3 number. Keeping toilet clean, preventing waterborne disease. So we will write B plus 3. Then we will write the word here, keeping toilet clean, and here is preventing waterborne disease. You can give here plus sign between 2 sentences. Okay. Then the next one is C, relief from stress. It will be matched with 4 number. Listening, songs, reading, book. So we will write here C plus 4, relief from stress plus listening, songs, reading, book. Last one is D number, personal hygiene. It will match with 1 number, keeping our body neat and clean. D plus 1 number, personal hygiene plus keeping our body neat and clean. So that's it. Student, your SW will be short question answer. Your SW will be 2 short question answer. That means here is a 3 short question. You have to do SW 1 number and 2 number short question. So dear student, I hope you have understood today's topic. Keep practicing at home and you have to do your SW. This is very important for you and you have to submit this SW every Sunday. This SW is very important for your annual term exam. You will get your SBA mark, diary mark and city mark based on this SW. So dear students, stay home, stay safe. Thank you.